Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful flower scarf. This scarf is made up of easy flower motifs which we'll be joining as we go. This scarf is 15 inches or 38 centimeters wide and about 70 inches or 177 centimeters long. You can make it as long and as wide as you want it to be. I used about 850 meters of DK weight or category 3 multicolor or variegated yarn. I used two different shades. I used 4 mm crochet hook. Let's start. First make a slip knot and then work 4 chains. Join the last chain with a slip stitch to the first chain. This will form a ring. Then work 10 chains. Now repeat double crochet into the ring and chain 7 5 times. This is the first time, and then double crochet into the ring, chain 7 4 more times. Then join with a slip stitch to the third chain. You'll have 6 chain 7 spaces. Now we'll start the next round, which is the third round. In this round, in each chain 7 space, work 3 single crochets, chain 5 and 3 single crochets. Three single crochets in the next space, chain 5, 3 single crochets in the same space. Repeat this around. Then join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Then you can fasten off. Only the first motif you'll work completely, and I'll show you how to join now. After working 3 single crochets in the chain 7 space of the second flower, work 2 chains and then take the first flower and work a single crochet in the chain 5 space of the first flower and then work 2 chains, and now complete the second flower by working 3 more single crochets in the same chain 7 space. So this is the first joint, and we'll be making one more joint. So work 3 single crochets in the next chain 7 space of the second flower, then chain 2, work a single crochet in the next chain 5 space of the first flower, then chain 2. So the second joint is also made. Now you can finish the rest of the flower as usual. So work 3 single crochets in the same chain 7 space, and then in rest of the chain 7 spaces work 3 single crochets, chain 5 and 3 single crochet. I've joined 2 flowers. Similarly, you can complete the first row. In each row, I worked 5 motifs. Next, we'll see how to join in the next row. Here, I have worked 3 single crochets and then 2 chains. Now, I'll join this flower in between the 2 flowers of the previous row. Work single crochet in the chain 5 space of the second flower, followed by chain 2 and then 3 single crochets in the same space. Then 3 single crochets in the next chain 7 space. Chain 2, single crochet in the joint between the 2 flowers of the previous row, then 2 chains and 3 single crochets in the same chain 7 space. You have to make one more joint, so work 3 single crochets in the next chain 7 space, then chain 2, single crochet in the chain 5 space of the first flower, followed by 2 chains and 3 single crochets in the same space. Then complete the rest of the flower as usual. So here we have made 3 joints between the first 2 flowers of the previous row. Then you will join 4 more flowers in this row. You'll be joining here, here, here and here. I joined 5 flowers in a row. You can join as many as you want, and also you can make it as long as you want. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, you can click on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you.